Sit. Sit. Hi guys! So, it's me, Kezeya, and it's my first filming and airing this first episode of K-Vlogs! Karon, I'm going to introduce myself and I am giving you my contacts about me and to tell you all about my hobbies, what my manifestation feeling on. Please support me balik eh. Nangayo lang ko sa inyo mga support kay dili man itungod sa kung aha. Nagasugod naman ko, pero kano nagasugod akong balik. Let's get started. I was currently studying and I'm going to be turning 17. Happy naman kung mag-usa ka doon. So, I will be happy. I'm a bubbly person, happy person. Minsan, magsakit at heart, all, or while sa kuhaan. And I am also loving animals, my fur babies. I have one dog and two cats. And I'm currently single. And my hobby is cooking. My hobby is cooking, singing, teach a lot of choir members na ilang kuan nga mga first time ko wala ko makabuka kuan wala ko libutan nila ana o sa di pang appeal ko wala na nag-appeal. So I'm currently the salmista ko, guys, salmista ko for how many years? So 3 years na ako naging salmista, and then 2 years na ako sa Escola Cantorum, 3 years na ako sa JKK Music Ministry, which is the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And then sa Escola Cantorum kay sa Immaculate Conception Mintal ko naga-serve karon. Currently serving at ICP Mintal, and naging second time psalmist ako sa ICP Mintal, but in the JKK or the BEC day, BEC. But in the BEC, they are in our JKK, we're the Zone 8 guys. Dugay naman ko, medyo dugay na ako naging psalmist kaya tawag naman ni Lord sa us. So I'm starting serving the Lord since 2022, and then I'm still serving. So grateful and thankful that I have the opportunity to do this. But anyways guys, nalang ko i-ano sa inyo balik sa akong vlog. So, na ako'y first YouTube channel sa una. Karon, wala na ako na ginagamit. So, karon, kanina gyud ang ako ang YouTube channel. So, Kezi Lindo Vlogs na gyud ko kay that's my nickname. Ginaname ako sa kong self na magkuan ko. And then, a lot of people who are texting me, who are messaging me, na kung kanuan ako mag-vlog, balik o vlog. So, this is it. Kaya nag-launch naman ko, or nagakuan naman ko, announce ako sa YouTube or sa kuan na magbalik ako vlog or magakuan ako og new series na K-vlog. So dili naman ko kaayo ko busy, but maningkamot naman ngoon ko na mauni ako ang live. So there it, guys. Ako na lang bahalaan. The content that I will post on my YouTube channel, ang vlog channel. Maningkamot naman ko mag-upload, pero para niis ako ang live that I will be more motivated na nag-vlog na ko, nagabalik na ko. So I'm happy and I'm thrilled to announce to you all na nagbalik na ko og so good sa ako ang new chapter. So since I am currently studying and nagasugod ako balik na maging digital creator na again, I will be only posting it naman kay diliin mamong kumalibog or maibog sa tanan, pero di naman ko usahay, di naman ko usahay. So I will be uploading tomorrow on YouTube channel, and I'm so happy to announce and to upload my first vlog, which is the K-vlog. So I will be uploading tomorrow. So that's it for now. Mga tulog na mi kay sayo pa akong lakaw ugma, mga mua naman sad, mag-eskwela na sad. So thank you guys for watching. So please like and subscribe my channel. If you hit the bell button, na maging ano na mo, maging plus 10 agad mo sa langit. Cheers lang. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Hit the bell button also for my latest updates para maging sure agad kayo, para hindi naman nabibig agad. So good luck sa inyo tara. So good night, mga tulog namin. Tika po yun, nagignig, ikan sa service. So, God bless!